So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in figure there is a circular sector. So you can see that this O, A and B, this is one circular sector, and this angle AOB, which is this angle, is 60 degree, which is given in the problem, and this OB is equal to 6 centimeter. So this is the radius of this whole circle from which this sector is taken. Then we have to find this area of this blue region, which is this triangle. So let's see how we can solve this. So you see this figure. In this figure, I draw this red line and this red line. So we know this OB is 6, this OA is also 6. Both are equal to the radius, and this OH will also be 6 because this is also equal to the radius. So now if we know this, then we know this figure is symmetric about this OH line. We know this whole angle is 60, so this will be 30 and this will be 30, half half. So now you see I extended this OB, so it will meet this QH line at this point, and I also extended this OA line, so it will meet this line at this point. So now you see there is one triangle. This is O, Q and H triangle. So in this triangle, what we can say? So you can write this OH, which is this thing, is equal to this OQ times cos 30. So we know OH is 6, we know cos 30 is root 3 by 2, so we can find out the OQ as 4 root 3. And we know this OQ and OP is this are exactly the same because of the symmetry, we can say that. And if both are same and we know this angle is 60, then this will also be equal to 4 root 3 because this is a equilateral triangle, because this side and this side are same, so this angle will be same as this angle, and if this is 60, the remaining is 120, which will divide equally, so this will also be 60 and this will also be 60. So it is an equilateral triangle, and all sides OP, OQ and PQ, all three are same. So this is a equilateral triangle. Now you see this figure. In this figure, uh, uh, this is I point, this is J point, and this is H point. Now if you see this whole figure, we can easily see that this OI length is equal to this IQ length, is this QH length is equal to HP, this JP length is equal to OJ. The figure is symmetric from all the sides. So this whole length are same and all are equal to this. We know this whole is 4 root 3. So 4 root 3 divided by 2, which is 2 root 3. So this OI, QI, QH, HP, JP, OJ, all are same and all are equal to 2 root 3. So this is 2 root 3 and this is 2 root 3. And we know this is 60 degree. And if this side and this sides are same, then in the triangle OIJ, this is an isosceles triangle. So this angle and this angle will be same. So 1 is 60, so remaining is 120, which will divide equally. So this will also be 60 and this will also be 60. So this is also in equilateral triangle. So if one of the sides is 2 root 3, then this side is also 2 root 3 and this is also 2 root 3. And similarly, this is 2 root 3 and this is 2 root 3. And we know this angle is 60 from the previously calculation. We seen that this O, Q and P, this is an equilateral triangle. So this will also be 2 root 3 and this will also be 2 root 3. So this will also be 2 root 3, this will also be 2 root 3 and this will also be 2 root 3. So all sides of this blue triangle are 2 root 3. So this is also an equilateral triangle, and we can find out the area of the equilateral triangle by root 3 by 4 times its side square, which is 2 root 3 whole square, and after solving it will come like 3 root 3 centimeter square, and in this way we can solve this.